Hi folks, and welcome to the Garden Fix. I'm Rob and I'm in Zone 6B, Western Pennsylvania. So today I want to show you 4 pretty cool perennials that we put into our garden that you might want to put in yours. So let's take a look at them. So the first one I want to show you that I'm really excited about is this Jetstream oak leaf hydrangea. This hydrangea is hardy in zones 5 through 8, and it can grow up to 5 to 6 feet tall and wide. We put it back here on our new berm that's in the back corner of our garden here, and they have these enormous leaves. It's really going to look nice in fall because these leaves are going to turn orange to possibly even bright red. In case you were wondering, the flowers, we probably won't get any flowers this year, but the flowers are white. But my goodness, imagine this next to this crepe myrtle that we have right here. And that's going to be some serious fall color. Okay, next up is this Sweet Kate Spiderwort. And if you take a look at it, it is really striking with the yellow foliage. And it also has purple flowers. It's too bad I don't have any blooming right now. Yesterday or the day before we had one blooming, and it looks really striking against this yellow. This is going to look wonderful when it is blooming, and it's hardy in zones 4 through 9. So if you want to add a little color to your garden with foliage, that sure does add a lot of pop. So to the right of that spiderwort, on the other corner here, is the next plant I want to talk about that I'm really excited about. And this is a Firefly bush honeysuckle. This is hardy in zones 3 through 8, and it can get to about 2 to 3 feet tall and 2 to 3 feet wide. So you're pretty much looking at what it looks like at maturity. As you can see here, it is about to flower, and it gets yellow flowers. These flowers can appear in spring and also late in summer, as you can see. And what a color, huh? I mean, look at that. That is gorgeous. Okay, so the last perennial that we put in was on this hillside. By the way, this hillside we're going to be doing a lot of work with. I'm going to be basically taking out a lot of these rocks and doing some work and planting a lot of things in here. But as you can see next to this spider flower, I put in our 4th perennial, and that is pink muhlygrass. And no, it's not pink, but it will be pink towards the end of late summer. And this plant is hardy in zones 6 through 10 and gets about 3 feet tall and wide. And it should look pretty striking here on the hillside if it turns pink. So I'll keep you updated. Okay, guys, that's all I have for you today. Thanks a lot for joining me. I hope you enjoyed these 4 perennials I showed you today. Maybe you might want to put one in your garden. So if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I really appreciate all your comments and your likes. Please hit the notification bell if you want to see when our next video is. And join us over on Instagram as well. It's the Garden Fix 2022, no spaces. And until next time, I'll see you in the garden.